Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. John Bull Imade don start the installation of 10 solar street light wey one Uronigbe brother donate give the people of Uronigbe. Make I leave you now, make you hear from John Bull Imade and this elderly man wey sit down here dey pray for the man wey donate the street light. Enjoy the video.
Yeah, good morning from the town crier of Uronigbe community. God bless you all, and may the Spirit of God be with you. We are live in Idukanyon Street in Uronigbe community. We are about to start marking this street light this early morning in Idukanyon. Please share this video, let it go viral. We thank all our brothers that is supporting us. We are going to start marking the solar energy street light this morning. By the grace of God, towards in the evening time, you guys will start seeing it. This is Idukanyon. After rounding up in a descend a Dogun quarter, you can see some pipe on the ground. We are going to start marking it this early morning, but we want our Father to pray for those that is supporting us from all over the world. So we are going to start marking this solar street light in Idukanyon today, Sunday. We want to start marking it now. We want it to charge a little bit. Please stop paying money online. If you want to support, contact the town crier of Uronigbe community so that at the end of the road, we can have light as far as Uronigbe community is concerned. So we are in our Father's outside here. So we need some prayer from our Father. Baba, Domosa. Emmanuel Sebastian Obonakiri. Nous yo bot dérange va. Domo. Ove magbona to ta aga. Baba ma we e ma no vu pa na re nu yiru ya su yan. Domo baba. Domo baba. O ato. Ana we ohun. Neru giyan.
E ma no vu pa na re.
Yeah.
No vie
First of all, Baba, what anyway? This is our father John Osaikwe from Idukanyon. So he want to give a short prayer to those that is supporting us. So Baba Hian. He said. 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 So with all my brothers and sisters, please share this video from the town crier of Uronigbe community. Idukanyon have remained in darkness. So we are so very surprised. So this early morning we will start marking the solar street light. So in the night you will see the brightness of the solar system. So we appreciate you people and we thank you people for what you have been doing. I don't mind by introducing our former secretary, JB Anwasedo is live here with us in Idukanyon. So, Ipa Domo, sir, we want you to introduce yourself to the whole world is watching you, sir. Domo.
Yeah. Anyway, anyone is John Bull Anwasedo.
Yes, sir.
The former secretary of the community. Marie Hansel, your way, aware, my beautiful. You might wear around the mountain, solar light, so anyone I want, make it a do get I want to know how so. Or young at the do Babana. So, Mamma will wear, I'm having no idea, and Mamma will wear. Me and I was Jackie John Runigby, and I do Jerry, and my union to Yato Runigby, the Luton Runigby, I told me I so give me a fair near the Yao, near Yamava, to Runigby, to be so can never be enough, but you know, now when you above me, no way be, never would honor all my maybe. So Mamma and Nancy, you be Mamma and told the senior became a reality.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, this is our former secretary to Uronigbe community, John Bull Anwasedo, you know. So we are really happy. As you can see, this is a Dogun quarter. So we are going to start marking this street light, from now. You can see all the solar street lights, they are there. So we have a 10 street light to 13 street light that we are going to mark today. 2 will be going to Okaligban, while the rest 10 will complete Idukanyon and Okizeko, which means everything is over. So we are so very happy. My brothers and sisters, please share this video. We are going to start marching this early morning. Epa, what tell me, man? Email at 6 o'clock here. How do you worry? So please share this video. Men on site, as you can see, this is Idukanyon. We want to make sure we brighten Idukanyon this night. We are going to brighten Idukanyon, either the devil like it or not. My brothers and sisters, support. Don't fail to support. After this 10 street light, Didogun is over. We are moving to Iduen. A brother have already promised 20 street light. Life is you.
Yeah, can't
Don't worry, boss. We'll come and give you the account number. Yes, please, my brothers and sisters, support us. We are live in Idukanyon to mark the solar street lights. As I speak with you right now, the engineer is on his way coming. So we are walking. Please bring the bag of cement there. Bring one bag. So we are really happy for exactly what is going on in the Uronigbe community. We need to develop. Please support Uronigbe community for development. Men on site. Men on site this early morning. You can see we are missing the granites. We don't fix our street light. We don't put it on pole. There are other communities that put their street light on pole. We don't do that. So we go with original galvanized pipe. That is exactly what we are using. We are using original galvanized pipe to lay our street light. As you can see, men on site. Men on site this early morning. We want to start working. Please share this video. We'll come online within 3 hours. We will come online again to make sure that everything is okay. Thank you very much for sharing this video. God bless you as you share. We are already starting work this early morning. Don't know what the machine is. Alhaji, come. We will first go eat first. We want to go and take our breakfast this morning before we start working. Definitely, we are dig all the hose. So we are expecting the engineer to come and mat it. So the next 2 hours, Idukanyon will be fixed up. Idukanyon will be fixed up with different type of street light. We thank you. We appreciate you. Share this video as you share. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you, my brothers and sisters, for sharing. Please support Jumbo Imade for development. Please don't pay money online to anybody. Pay money to Uronigbe community. You know the guys that is doing it on grassroots. Support the grassroots. Don't go and pay money to any internet movement that you doesn't understand. We are on ground. As soon as you send us your money, instantly we peg the street light. How many you sent for us, that is exactly we are going to peg. You understand? We are not putting our street light we are not matting it on electric pole. We buy original galvanized pipe to mat our street light. That is exactly what we are doing. But then it will not bring the beautification of the street light. I cannot buy street light and mat it on a government property. It's not done. It's not advisable by matting a street light, joining the government property. This is our property. This is a community property. So anytime we can remove it if the government bring for us. So we cannot go and mat our street light, join an electric pole. It's not good, and it's not going to bring it's not going to be beautiful. You understand my point? But as soon as you peg the pole on ground, you will see that it will be okay. So Alaji, come and carry one. Let me show you people exactly what I'm talking about. Come and put one pole there. So we don't like putting street lights on electric pole. So we buy pole by ourselves and instantly we mount it. That is exactly what we do. You understand? So you can see the beauty as soon as he put it on ground now. So we are still waiting for our engineer. It's on his way coming. Yeah, you can take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. You can see. You see it. You see now. Aboki straight it very well. Push it down. Yeah, you see? You see? So when we are marking it, this very one is different. By the time you go and put it on an electric pole, look at the electric pole. It looks zigzag. It cannot give a beautification of the street light. I cannot go and mark my street light that I bought with money on government property. No. So we have to mark it on our own. Take a look at this. So you can see the beauty. This is exactly what we are doing. So we appreciate our brother. We thank our brother who supported us with this 10 street light. Please, my brother, Uronigbe is for everybody. Wagamwezo for na ku ikuomase. You understand? I mean, forget everything I have done wrong. If I have offended you people, forgive me. Let's develop our community, Uronigbe. Uronigbe is our home. You understand? This early morning, imagine I have a lot of things to do at home, but I have to leave what I'm doing to come and make sure that everything is moving fine. So you can see the height of the galvanized. So by the time we now pour concrete and match the street light, you will not see the beauty than putting a street light in electric pole. So it's not done, and it's not going to bring the beauty of the street light. That is the reason we are constructing our pipe, matching our street light. You understand my point? Even when the wind comes, if the wind blow it, we can still change it to another direction by putting it on electric pole. I know the electric pole is stronger, but I want to assure you the galvanized pipe is the one that is going to bring the beauty. You understand my point? So, brothers and sisters, we are going house now to go and take our breakfast before our engineer will arrive. So, before the engineer arrive, we want the solar to be charging before we mount. Please don't fail to contact John Buimade. Support. If now one, buy one for us. Don't pay money online. I keep on telling you, don't pay money online. Pay money to the grassroots. Believe me. Thank you for watching this video and God bless you. Share.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.